Today we're going to make honey chili beans. So let's get started. First we're going to steam the beans in this hot boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is a super simple recipe, so while the beans are cooking, we're going to make the sauce. So for the sauce, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey, some salt to taste, and finally some crunchy garlic. This genuinely gives the beans the best taste. Do try it. Make sure to combine the sauce really well so that the honey doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we're going to check if the beans are cooked, and they look really well cooked right now. So let's start the plating. I'm going to add the sauce to it, and I'm going to drench the beans in that really well. Make sure you're really generous with your sauce. Combine the beans well, and to that I'm going to top it off with some crunchy burnt garlic that I just made. Do enjoy and follow for more. Thank you.